Welcome to Casual Talk English. Here you will learn real English through simple, everyday conversations. No grammar pressure, no textbooks, just natural English you can actually use. Let's talk and learn together.
Hey there, good morning, Kylie.
Oh, hey, Jordan. Good morning to you, too.
How's your day starting out?
Pretty good, actually. I just had my coffee. You know me, I can't start the day without it.
Oh, I know. I'm the same way. Coffee first, then everything else.
Exactly. So what have you been up to lately?
Well, funny you asked. I was walking along the river this morning and I started thinking about something interesting.
Along the river? Oh, that sounds nice. Which river?
The one downtown, you know, the path that goes along the water.
Oh, yes. I love that path. Wait, you just said along twice.
I did. I totally did. And that's actually what I wanted to talk about today.
What do you mean?
Well, I've realized that we use the word along so much in English, but it's kind of tricky for people who are learning.
You're right. I never really thought about it. We just say it naturally.
Exactly. So I thought, hey, maybe we should talk about it. Help people understand how we use along in everyday conversation.
Oh, that's a great idea. I love it. So where should we start?
Let's start simple. When I say I walked along the river, what picture comes to your mind?
Well, I picture you walking next to the river, like following the river's path.
Perfect. That's exactly it. Along means you're moving beside something or following its direction.
Right, right. It's like you're going in the same direction as the thing.
Yes. So the river goes this way, and I'm walking this way too, beside it.
That makes sense. What about trees? Can you walk along trees?
Well, not exactly trees by themselves, but you could walk along a row of trees.
Oh, like I walked along the line of trees?
Exactly. Or along the tree-lined street.
Okay, okay. So it's about following something that has a line or a path.
You got it. Think about it this way. Roads, rivers, walls, fences, things that are long and go in a direction.
Oh, like I drove along the highway.
Perfect example, yes.
Or there are flowers planted along the fence in my backyard.
Beautiful. See, you're getting it. The flowers follow the fence line.
This is fun. I never realized I used this word so much.
Right? It's everywhere in our conversations. Let me tell you a funny story.
Ooh, I love stories. Tell me.
So last week, I was giving directions to my cousin. He's visiting from another state.
Okay.
And I told him, just drive along Main Street until you see the big red building.
Makes sense?
But he got confused. He called me and said, do you mean on Main Street or along Main Street?
Oh, no.
I know. And I realized to someone learning English, those might seem like different things.
So what did you tell him?
I explained that along means you're following the street. You're on the street, yes, but you're traveling down its length.
Ah, that's a good explanation.
On just means you're on the street somewhere, but along gives the idea of movement, of following it.
Oh, I see the difference. So if I say, my house is on Main Street, I'm just saying its location.
Right.
But if I say, walk along Main Street, I'm telling someone to follow the street and keep moving.
Perfect. You explained that better than I did.
We make a good team. So what other ways do we use along?
Well, here's something interesting. We also use along with time.
With time? How?
Like, I'll be along in a minute.
Oh, yeah, we say that all the time. I'll be along soon.
Or come along when you want someone to join you.
Right. Come along with me to the store.
Exactly. In this case, along means with or accompanying.
So it's not about physical lines anymore.
Kinda not, but kinda yes. Think about it like a journey through time or an activity.
Can you explain more?
Sure. When I say come along, I'm asking you to move forward with me. We're going on a path together.
Okay, so it's still about movement and direction, just not always a physical path.
Exactly. You're so smart.
Stop it. Okay, what about all along? We say that too.
Oh, great question. all along means the whole time or from the beginning.
Like, I knew it all along.
Perfect. That means you knew it from the very beginning, the entire time.
Or, the answer was there all along. We just didn't see it.
Yes, beautiful example. It means it was always there throughout the whole time.
This is so interesting. I'm learning about my own language.
I know, right? Sometimes teaching English makes me think about words I never questioned before.
So true. Okay, what about get along? Like when people get along with each other.
Oh, phrasal verbs. That's a little different. Get along means to have a good relationship.
Right. Like, do you get along with your coworkers?
Exactly. Or my cat and dog get along really well.
That's important information. So, along in phrasal verbs can mean something totally different?
Yes, English is tricky like that. The same word can have different meanings in different contexts.
What other phrasal verbs use along?
Let's see. Go along with something means to agree or accept it.
Oh, like, I'll go along with your plan.
Perfect. It means you agree and you'll participate.
What about play along?
Oh, good one. Play along means to cooperate or pretend to agree, especially in a game or joke.
Like, just play along with me here.
Yes, when you want someone to help with your story or idea.
Or when kids play along with your sister's game.
Exactly. You give us some good examples today.
Thanks. This is actually really fun. I love thinking about language like this.
Me too. Should we talk about some common mistakes people make with along?
Oh, yes, that would be helpful for learners.
Okay, so one mistake is using along when they should use across.
What's the difference?
Along means following the length of something. Across means going from one side to the other side.
Can you give an example?
Sure, I walked along the bridge means I walked on the bridge following its length.
Okay.
But I walked across the bridge means I went from one end to the other end, crossing it.
Oh, so along is like going with it, and across is like going over it?
Exactly. You got it.
What about a street? How does that work?
Good question. I walked along the street means I followed the street, walking beside it or on it.
And I walked across the street means...
You cross from one side to the other.
Yes, like crossing at a crosswalk?
Perfect. See? You understand the difference.
This is making so much sense now. What other mistakes do people make?
Sometimes people forget along when they need it. They might say, I walked the river.
That sounds funny, like you walked on top of the water.
Right. You need to say, I walked along the river or I walked by the river.
Okay, so you need a preposition there.
Exactly. English needs those little words to make the meaning clear.
What about alongside? Is that different from along?
Great question. Alongside is very similar, but it emphasizes being right next to something.
So it's more specific?
Yes, I parked alongside the building means right next to it, very close.
And I parked along the street just means somewhere on that street.
Exactly. Alongside is more precise about being beside something.
Interesting. Can you use them both in some situations?
Often, yes. The boat sailed along the coast and the boat sailed alongside the coast are pretty similar.
But alongside sounds like it's really close to the coast.
Yes, that's the subtle difference. Good ear.
Thanks. Okay, let me try to use along in some sentences. Tell me if they sound natural.
Go for it.
I saw beautiful houses along my drive to work.
Perfect. Very natural.
Come along to the party with me.
Great. Sounds exactly like how we'd say it.
The dog ran along beside me.
Excellent. Though you could also just say the dog ran alongside me.
Oh, because alongside already means beside.
Right. Saying along beside is a little redundant, but people do say it sometimes.
Okay. I brought some snacks along.
Perfect. That's another way we use along, to mean with me or with us.
Like, bring your friend along.
Exactly. It means to bring them with you.
Or I'll bring my camera along on the trip.
Beautiful. Very natural sentence.
I'm getting good at this.
You really are. You know what else is interesting?
What?
How along can suggest progress or movement forward in time.
What do you mean?
Like, how are you coming along with your project?
Oh, that's asking about progress.
Right. Coming along means making progress, moving forward.
So I could say, my garden is coming along nicely.
Perfect. It means your garden is growing and progressing well.
Or the meeting is moving along.
Yes, that means the meeting is progressing, continuing forward.
What about sing along?
Oh, that's a fun one. Sing along means to sing together with music or another person.
Like sing along to your favorite song.
Exactly. Or everyone was singing along at the concert.
I love singing along in the car.
Me too is the best. Do you sing along to the radio?
All the time, especially when I'm stuck in traffic. It makes the time go by faster.
Me too. My neighbors probably think I'm crazy.
Who cares? It's fun. Okay, let me think of more examples we use in daily life.
Yes, please. I want to hear real, everyday examples. All right. This morning, I told my son, hurry along, we're going to be late for school.
Oh, hurry along. That's telling him to move faster, right?
Exactly. It's like hurry up, but with movement included.
So you're telling him to keep moving and do it quickly.
Yes, perfect understanding.
What did he say?
He said, I'm coming, like kids always do, and then took 5 more minutes.
That sounds about right. Kids and mornings don't mix well.
Never. Okay, another example. Yesterday, my coworker said, I'll send that email along to you.
Send along, that means forward it.
Exactly, to pass it on to someone else.
So along there means continuing the movement to the next person.
Impressed? Yes, that's exactly what it means. The email travels along to you.
Cool. What about shopping? Do we use along when shopping?
Yes, you might say, I found this along the way when you're at the store.
Meaning you found it while you were going through the store.
Right. You weren't looking for it specifically, but you came across it.
Or I picked up some milk along with bread.
Perfect. Along with means in addition to or together with.
So it's like saying, and also?
Exactly. I need eggs along with flour and sugar.
That's so useful. We say that all the time.
We really do. English speakers use along constantly without even thinking about it.
It's so automatic for us, but I can see how it would be confusing for learners.
Definitely. That's why we're breaking it down today.
I think we're doing a good job.
I think so too. Let's talk about some expressions with along.
Ooh, like idioms?
Kind of. Like all along the way.
What does that mean?
It means throughout the entire journey or process. I met interesting people all along the way.
So the whole time, during every part of the journey.
Exactly. From start to finish.
That's poetic. I like it.
Me too. Here's another one. Somewhere along the line.
I've heard that. It means at some point.
Yes, at some point during a process or time period. Somewhere along the line, we lost touch.
Oh, that's a little sad. It means you don't know exactly when, but it happened sometime.
Right. The exact moment isn't clear, but it happened during that time.
What about go along for the ride?
That's a fun expression. It means to join an activity just to see what happens without much responsibility.
Like being a passenger in a situation?
Exactly. I don't know what they're planning, but I'll go along for the ride.
So you're participating but not leading.
Yes, you're just there to experience it.
Sometimes that's the best way to be. Less stress.
True. Just enjoy the experience.
Okay, I have a question. Can you use along with time phrases?
Yes, like along the way, which we mentioned. That can be physical or through time.
So I learned a lot along the way means during the process?
Perfect. Through the experience over time.
What about specific times, like months or years?
Not usually with specific times. You wouldn't say a long January.
No, that sounds weird.
Right. But you could say somewhere along in my 20s, meaning sometime during that decade.
Okay, so it's more for periods of time, not specific dates.
Exactly. Periods, processes, journeys, not exact moments.
That makes sense. Language has so many little rules.
It does, but you're learning them so quickly.
Thanks. You're a good teacher.
And you're a good student, or should I say a good conversation partner.
I like that better. We're learning together.
Absolutely. Even native speakers learn new things about their language.
So true. Okay, let's think about common situations where learners would use along.
Good idea. Let's make it practical.
Giving directions. That's huge.
Yes. Go along this road until you see the gas station.
Walk along the sidewalk, then turn left.
Perfect. Those are super useful for everyday life.
What about at work?
At work, I'll be along to the meeting in a moment.
Can you pass this report along to the manager?
Great one. Things are coming along well with the new project.
Yes, talking about progress at work.
What about social situations?
Why don't you come along to dinner with us?
Perfect. We're all getting along great.
I brought my sister along to the party.
Excellent examples. See, it's so useful in daily life.
It really is. I never realized how much we use this one little word.
That's the beauty of prepositions. They're small, but so important.
And they're everywhere.
They really are. English loves its prepositions.
I'm like some languages that don't use them as much.
Right, that's why they can be tricky for learners.
But once you understand them, everything gets easier.
Absolutely. It's like unlocking a secret code.
Excited! I love that way of thinking about it.
Me too. Language learning is like solving a puzzle.
And each piece makes the picture clearer.
Beautiful analogy.
Thanks. So, should we wrap up?
Yeah, let's give people a nice summary.
Okay, so along is mainly about movement beside something or following its direction.
Right, like along the street or along the river.
It can also mean accompanying someone. Come along with me.
And it shows progress. How's it coming along?
We use it in lots of phrasal verbs too. Get along, play along, go along with.
And expressions like all along, meaning the whole time.
The key is to think about movement and direction, even when it's not physical.
Exactly. It's about a path, real or imaginary.
You know what I'm thinking?
What?
The best way to learn along is just to listen and practice.
100%. Listen to how native speakers use it.
And try using it in sentences.
Yes, don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn.
Every mistake is a lesson.
Absolutely. And honestly, most English speakers are very patient with learners.
That's true. We appreciate when people try to speak our language.
We really do. So to everyone watching, keep practicing.
Use along in your conversations. Try it out.
And pay attention when you hear it. Notice how people use it naturally.
Before you know it, it'll feel automatic.
Just like it does for us. Exactly. Well, this was fun.
It really was. I enjoyed breaking down along with you.
Me too. Who knew one little preposition could be so interesting?
Right? Language is fascinating.
It really is. Okay, well, I should get going.
Yeah, me too. Thanks for coming along on this language journey with me.
See what you did there. Perfect way to end. All right, everyone. We hope this helped you understand along better.
Practice using it and you'll get the hang of it.
Thanks for learning along with us today.
Another one. You're on fire.
I learned from the best. All right, see you next time.
See ya. Keep learning, everyone.
And remember, language learning is a journey.
And we're all moving along together.
Perfect. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Happy learning.